Come test drive the 2019 Escalade ESV. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway and is priced below $95,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.